today's video I'm gonna make a bread, still with the Lidl flour, so it's the cheapest flour, but 85% hydration. So I'm gonna start to weigh the flour, then I'm gonna put the levain. Okay, so I put 200 grams of levain. I didn't film because it was too hard to put the levain with one hand. So it's 120% hydration, this levain. Okay, so it's quite liquid. I'm gonna put the water. Okay, so I'm gonna do the fermentolyse. So the fermentolyse is mixing of flour, levain and water, and I'm gonna leave it for half an hour, and then I will mix with the salt. So now it's just gonna be a simple mixing. Okay, so it's gonna be enough. It's been maybe 1-2 minutes. It's just very simply mixed. So I'm gonna stop it and leave it for half an hour. It's been half an hour, so I'm gonna add the salt and gonna mix just a little bit in the first speed to mix the salt, and then I'm gonna go for the second speed for 5 minutes. So this is how the dough is now. So we will see after mixing how it is. 5 minutes. So now it's perfect and it's time to stop. Yeah, looks good. So you can see it's quite liquid. Now I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour. I'm gonna put in a box, 1 hour rest, folding, 1 hour rest and folding, and then we will see. Okay, see you later. Here is the baking day. They look fine, they look perfect. Timing to put them in the oven. So I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on this one and this one too. So I'm gonna cut gross for this one, and just a simple one. And let's go to the oven. Baking is done. So we're gonna check this. So for the round, it looks pretty nice. And this one, it looks fine too. I'm gonna wait until they cool down and I will cut them later. So I'm gonna cut the big one and we're gonna see how it is inside. It's still quite warm. Perfect. So that's 85%. So I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, nice color, like a little bit creamy-ish again. Many bubbles. Well, I'm quite happy with this bread. So here it is. I guess they're super tasty also. I'm gonna try. Yeah, the bread is super tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see a video where I talk about why you shouldn't be a baker, you can click on the next video. Thank you for watching. You can give it a like and subscribe to support me. And yeah, have a fun day, enjoy baking, and see you next time.